in a day-to-day basis, when you hear in the news, you have clusters in your fishery port, the KTV cluster and all. And then when Acumen gets samples from all these clusters, the next day you have 23 cases from the fishery port. Actually you contributed, so that's quite fulfilling.
Every half hour, 1 hour, there are samples coming. The doorbell will keep ringing, and it's really being very proud that our workflows, our test kits, our equipment, our people can really find the needle in the haystack.
My name is Ong Siu Hua. I'm the CEO and founder of Acumen Diagnostics. I take on the roles of supervising the lab, the operations of swabbing, because currently we are very active in the COVID testing for Singapore. I actually describe what is going on this 20 months now like a war. Always fighting for time, short notice for many things. Everything is now. For the foreign workers' dormitories, because last year the spread was very fast, I think having local production really helped us to be self-sufficient in Singapore. On a daily basis, thousands of foreign workers, they can go to work because they get the results that they are negative. In this nearly 2 years, I've been to many of the swab sites. So I went to the dorms, construction work sites, to work together with them on how to plan the swab site. I also talked to the swabbers to tell them what happens to the swab they collect after that coming to our lab, so that to them it's not just one swab after another and another and another. And what happens, the meaning is very big behind each swab that they have collected. The test principle of COVID PCR is not new to us at all. Actually, in the past 7 or 8 years, Acumen has been involved in developing PCR tests for other infections. So when the new virus comes along, all of these expertise, techniques, machines were just applicable, redesigned to zoom into the COVID virus, so we could do it really fast. There are a few parts to making this possible. Number one is the talents that we have, and the other aspect is the hardware of the infrastructure, equipment. Our lab runs 24/7. We are very highly automated. When our company grew to need more space, we are very happy that we found this facility. So we moved into the Gemini building in April 2020. This is a familiar kind of place, and the track record that I know of from the previous companies that are here. I think companies that are here would indicate to stakeholders that they have certain level of capability, competitiveness, and commitment into the future. And then when we need additional space, quite quickly, again, the paperwork, getting the permissions to start the renovation, to connect the temporary power, electricity and so on, all happen very fast because there's a trust level. Having the facility in this period of COVID, when everything is slow, we could have it very quickly, was really, really important. I have a very strong passion in science and technology, and I've been in this for 26 years. The motivation in this crisis time is that we have the capability to provide this solution of testing on a personal basis. I really feel that life has been so badly affected for many people. We need to protect the health of the people. We need life to be normal. It becomes so much embedded and ingrained in me. I don't want to do something else. I feel very proud that in this crisis time we can step up, identify the cases early, isolate them to prevent the spreading, and ensure important industry keep going.